Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to label data points in Excel line graph. Firstly, select cells, go to Insert tab, recommended chart, all chart, select line chart, then click line with markers, then OK, and click plus icon, then select data labels and more options. We can see many options below from cells, series name, category name, legend ke. I select only below, center, left, right, above, then OK. Proceed and select data or right click mouse, then select data. Select data, cells, we can see cells, then add, sorry, OK. Then again right click mouse, select data, add, returns, then false. OK, then OK. Quick layout. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.